All right, say welcome to Teacher Dad.
Welcome to Teacher Dad.
All right, well today I have my little assistant and we are going to make a homemade forge. And so we have all of the ingredients, and this is a recipe that is made by Nighthawk in Light. And so I'll put his channel down below and we'll link him in the description so you can go over there and check out his channel and see how we make this. So today we're going to make a substance that is able to withstand heat, and it's common household items that you'll find in your kitchen. And we need baking soda and cornstarch and powdered sugar and flour and borax.
Scoop.
Okay. Now what it says? Okay, wait. Okay. 180. Okay. We want 200. Oh, look. What's it say now? 200. Nope, put that back. Okay. What's it say now? It says what? 200 and...
What?
1. Okay. So take that and dump it in our container. Take that and dump it in there. Okay, 2 hands. Okay, dump. All right, good job. Scoop. What's it say? Oh, 92. We're almost there.
Yeah.
One more scoop. One more scoop. Does it say 100? Scoop. Okay, that's good. Okay, dump it in. Dump it in. All right, now we have 200 of powdered sugar and 200 of baking soda. Now we need 200 of cornstarch. Oh, we have to wipe this off. Okay, wipe this off. All right.
What did...
Okay, it says 157.
Oh.
Oh my, what happened?
Yeah.
Did we spill it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look. Okay, we have 186. So that means we need 14. Here, let's tap the bottom. Okay, then we have to dump this in. Okay, ready? You know what we're going to do here? You know what we're going to do here? We're going to do this, okay? Okay, make that 0. Okay, now you're going to take this scoop. Okay, here, put this down. Okay, you're going to put that scoop inside the jar. Okay, put it inside here. No, take this with your hands. Okay, scoop it inside there and fill it all the way up with flour. Oh, more. Here, like this. Scoop like that. Okay, now see how much it is. All right, that's 134. We need 400. Okay, so dump that in. So we have 130. Okay, here, hold your spoon down. Whoops. Okay, dump it in.
Okay.
Okay, we kind of made a mess, didn't we? Okay, let's scoop it off the table. Okay, we're all full. Oh, you have a sneeze? Mm-hmm. Okay, dump it in. Okay, now let's stir this off. 250. Okay. Let's not spill it. Careful, careful, careful. Ah! Okay, dump it in. Okay.
Oh.
Now we're ready to mix.
Okay.
Okay, now we're ready to mix. Okay? Okay, just mix it slow. Mix it slow. Oh, we splashed it. Okay, mix it slow. It's gonna be like kind of like Play-Doh. Okay? Is it mixing? Now this is a big container. We're probably gonna need more than one batch. Okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna start putting this all the way here in the bottom. Okay? So let's put this down on the bottom. Okay? And then we're gonna need to make it flat like this. Okay? Because we're gonna make it flat, all the way flat like this. See how that works? Up, full.
Full.
Okay? So let's dump it all right in there. Okay? Let's squish it all down. Make it flat.
Flat.
Okay?
Flat.
Flat it all down.
Put it all down. Put it all down. Put it all down. Put it all down.
Yep. Down, down, down. Okay, squish down. Squish, 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 squish. I think you're just having fun putting the flour on Daddy. I think you're just having fun messing the flour on Daddy. So here's our container. See, it's
Yeah.
all ready to go.
Yeah.
We're going to drill a hole in the side so we can put our torch in here.
Yeah.
And then here, we're going to have our lid, okay? Okay, ready? Here we go. We're going to drill our hole.
Yeah. There's why research is almost ruined. Look at the fire! I never seen fire in my life.
Okay, you want to stay back. Don't get burned.
Folks, you'll do this at home.
All right. So today we've talked about, or we showed how that we can make a homemade forge out of common household items you might find in your kitchen. Now, this is what is called what? What kind of substance?
Fire.
I know, but what did we call it? No, say it louder.
Intermittent.
An intumescent.
Yeah.
And that means that it's something that expands when it gets heated. And so this is a substance that you can use to line the inside of a container. You can actually heat this for quite some time. It might still be warm, be careful. That you can heat for quite some time before it ever actually affects the outside of the container. All right, so we hope to show you some more videos about this later on and what we've been able to do, hoping to use this to make some, melt some metal and some aluminum and so on.
Yeah.
All right, and so say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Hope to see you again on the next one.
Hope you see on the next one.